Stefan from Fiskeshoppen Mörrum. I'm gonna tie a Ullsocken on a tube for you. Not 100% classic Ullsocken, but a version that works very good. So yeah, I'm just gonna dig into it. Whoop. Ullsocken is a typical fly. Someone. You might love it or you might hate it, but when you have seen it in action, you will never hate it again. No, but it's a very effective fly. Can be, of course. It's very, very good in Mörrum all season through, and there's so many variations of it. And yeah, it's also just your imagination that sets the boundary. There's no boundaries. That's what I'm trying to say here. You can always mix it up. Tying in some red, fluorescent red yarn here. Then I'm gonna get ready with the first hackle. Something reddish. And here I'm also trying to show you that doesn't take a lot of time tying one. Not that I'm saying that I'm a super fast one, but doesn't have to take forever. So black antron yarn has some body. Just trying to get that. Don't want the hackles to get in. So we just wrap it up. Skip by to that. Then we just start wrapping up right about here. Brown rooster cape here. Just gonna find something that looks suitable. This time I'm gonna take a plier here. You see, I tie with a lot of gap in between because I want the hackle fibers to have a lot of room to spread out. Don't want to tie them down too much. I'm just going to peel this one off. Have a look. Yeah, looks good. You can use whatever flash. I'm going to go with a red one here. Just gonna tie it on the top, a couple of rounds there, a couple of rounds here, up. So we can cut them afterwards, but I just do it now. There, like two antennas. There we go. Then as weight and as a little thing that gives a lot of jigging effect to the fly, I'm gonna put on a 5mm brass bead. Just gonna have a few rounds of black antron before, just to make it look good. Now the Antron yarn is of course messing with me. So let's see if we just wrap it up if it gets better. There we go. That should be enough. And there I dropped the bead. Luckily I have more. So I'm gonna put one there. I'm just gonna lock this one up with a couple of knots here. There we go. So just a little bit of super glue. This little bad boy here to stay in place. There we go. Thread back on. Another brown hackle. I found one directly there. I think it looks good. Yeah, it will be fine. Get this little fella, whatever. Let's take this hackle plier and start hackling. Let's make that the last turn of the events here. There we go. And we're done. We burned a little of the hackles there, so far. So no problem. So there you go. That's version of Ullsocken with a 5mm bead in front. Great movement in the water. You strip it. So I know it's not a world record, but it didn't take that long, so that's how quickly you can have yourself a really nice salmon fly to go out fishing with.